Good morning, everyone. Yes, today is Monday. I don't know what date. June 13. Oh my god. June 13 already. Halfway through the month. This week we don't really have anything going on. I just have a dentist appointment on Thursday. And then that's it. So this week we'll be staying home for most of the time because we spent a lot this weekend, surprisingly, so we're just gonna chill. Yeah, so but we'll see. We might still like eat out or something, just once. But yeah, we'll make use of all of the food in the fridge. Okay, Kat's home now. Kat's home with the mask still. I'm gonna go and repot this. Okay, so nahulog siya. Okay, ayan na siya. So I actually have soil here, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, nilagay ko lang siya dito. We have a lot of soil, kaya sa mga from Vancouver dyan na kailangan nyo ng soil, I will give you soil. Okay. So I don't know if I can film while doing this. Okay. So this is the soil. I actually made this soil. This is perlite, medium soil. There's some charcoal, orchid bark. So it's a good, well-draining soil. So I'm gonna repot that one into. So it actually comes in a small pot, and I feel bad for the roots already, and they're also coming out of the bottom. So when that happens, it usually means that it's ready to be repotted. Usually you should have more, but since this looks really sad, I'm just gonna repot it right here. I'm gonna change the soil also, because this is, when this one dries, it gets really hard, and I don't know, I don't like that. So
if you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
there are the roots. It's looking pretty good. Stick it in there.
Once we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, get yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah.
Okay, so here it is. Right there. And I'm just gonna water this inside.
Good morning! It's Tuesday and naiwan ko yung kape ko. So, bababa ako guys. Kukuha tayo ng kape. Sana'y magandang araw nyo.
Okay, we're both off now. Today is Tuesday. And
Sobrang dami ng tao.
ang daming tao ng downtown. It seems like everything is back to normal now. Like, people are working from the office, and there are a lot of tourists. And the
self-serve too?
Sure. And the weather is really nice. See? Yeah.
A lot of people are out and walking.
Yeah. is mine. Okay, so we just ate. Now we're gonna go home.
Busog na busog ako.
Diyan yung BCIT oh, na downtown. Tapos may isa pa, diba, sa Burnaby? Yeah. Tapos, doon dati nagtatabraho si Kat doon sa... Doon. Forgot what it's called. I know, Spratshaw. Spratshaw College. And then, yun na. Anyways, uwi na kami. Okay, we're gonna go now.
Guys, so nasa work pala ako ngayon. I mean, nasa baba ako ng work ni Kim ngayon. Inaantay ko siya kasi sasabay ako sa kanya pa uwi. May picture kami na ipa-flash. Ito yung sa Evo na ano nila, parang partnership ng Evo at saka Pacific Center, yung Cadillac Fairview Pacific Center, kung saan yung building namin sa work. So meron silang free ride for e-bikes sa lahat ng tenants and employees na nag-rent sa Pacific Center. Yeah, Pacific Center, which is great kasi malaking tulong siya kung gusto mag-bike. So free siya, guys. And then I think kailangan lang talaga na employee ka or tenant ka ng Pacific Center kasi yung email na gagamitin mo pag nag-register ka is yung work email mo. So yeah, it's a good news for us, lalo na sa summer kasi makakagamit tayo ng e-bike.
That's my pizza from today's lunch.
Guys, nakarating na siya. So, eto po ang makukuha niyo pag nag-aantay kayo sa work kasi mga libreng kakain si Mayor.
We're here walking in downtown and look, there's a little farmer's market. Ayan. It's here every Tuesday. Wait, no. It's here, it's here every Wednesday apparently. Ayan, may nagja-jump pa dun. Oh, wow. Okay, so, you wanna walk?
It's
For
there.
a little?
Oh.
Wednesdays lang. June to October. Para na siyang ano, yung sa San Francisco kasi may ganito. Pero pag Sundays.
But not so much ngayon kasi kaka-start lang. Siguro mga later on marami nila.
Like, mag-walk through lang kami. This one is the Vancouver Art Gallery, by the way. It's pretty.
Can we take a video? Sure. Okay.
But
It's a
yuzu
yuzu
custard
citrus.
and yuzu Japanese baked custard pudding.
Let's
Yeah.
try
Can
it.
I see the packaging? Wow, it looks nice.
They also have a box that it comes in 4 of these ones, so maybe you can baka pwede kayong magpili ng your choice of flavors. So,
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
okay, let's try it. It's kind of hard.
Wow, that's yuzu. Okay, let's. Can you?
Teka.
It's cold.
So, sabi nila, para daw tong leche flan sa atin.
The yuzu is good. Yuzu is legit. At dito may mga seats din. Kung maaraw, marami dyang nakatambay, no? Tignan mo, meron pa yun, oh. Yan koji?
Bankuji food.
Yeah. Oh, it's tofu. Wow! And may eggs din. Should we buy eggs? We need eggs sa bahay. Dito na pala yung Granville stations dyan. Tapos Vancouver City Center station dito. And then ito sa ilalim yan is the mall. Ayun no, Nordstrom.
They're back.
Wow, I like this. This is nice. What will we put in it? Birthday, so.
But I don't like the strap.
We're looking for
Do you want this? I think I want this.
for what?
Not sure.
I don't know. We're looking for a laptop case for cat.
Oh, they have a different color. They also have a black.
Look at these. It's nice.
Look.
We're going home now. So we are gonna go swimming. Not really swimming, we're just gonna go to the hot tub. Right?
Or yung Adidas mo?
What Adidas? Oh, it's outside. I have to go get my slippers. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Yeah, I think it's Thursday. I am working from home today because there are fire testing. I don't know. Yeah, I had to work from home today because our landlord said that there's going to be some testing and I need to open the door to let the building people who are doing the testing know that it's working and we can hear the alarm or testing. It's that one. And then I guess so they're gonna knock on the doors and then yeah. Anyways, that's all. And then later on at 5:50 I have a dentist appointment. And yeah, that's it for today. Nothing really exciting. Tomorrow I'm back in the office. Yeah. Testing. My field trip ata. So cute. So dinner, adobo. And leftover spam. So now it's 5:20. We're gonna go to my dentist appointment and we're gonna look for ice cream.
Ice cream and
Milkshake. I think yung dentist appointment ko ngayon, parang cleaning lang siya, hopefully. Yung last ko na cleaning, hindi ko na maalala. Pero, may owing pa ako na amount to, remember?
ano?
Ewan ko, $80 daw. So I have to pay that today.
80?
Diba? Ewan ko.
Yeah.
80 ba yun? Yeah, so, yun na lang. Punta muna kami ng appointment ko ngayon.
Meron para ditong sidecar, tricycle. Ay, ano ito?
Nakita niyo ba? Okay, I finished my cleaning. It was just cleaning, but it took an hour because I was talking. But look, it's clean. Okay, we're gonna go to Off the Grid for milkshakes. For my milkshake, I don't know if Kat's buying anything. Ayun yung menu nila. Oh. And oh, looks cool in here. Look. Look at my shake.
Wow. Mas gusto ko yung ano dati, yung cheesecake nila, kaso naubusan na daw sila, tinanggal na daw nila sa menu nila.
So now we're gonna go to Canadian Tire. Bili kami ng crab trap. Mag-crabbing kami sa weekend.
Ano?
Crab trap.
Ano ko crab trap?
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
We are now here at IKEA, the land of the free. Okay.
Gotta go.
Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Yan yun. Ganda, diba? Oh. Sunset. Nice. Wow.
Okay, so since kanina pa ako nag-crave ng soft serve, buti na lang bukas pa yung IKEA. Nakabili ako. And then andun si Kim naglalayan.
Look at that. She's just eating. Eating ice cream. Hey everyone. Today is Friday, the last day of the week. And we drove today. It's really early for me. We drove because we're gonna be going somewhere later. And yeah, so this vlog will end pretty early.
It hurts so bad.